Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I hope everybody's doing good today. My name is Tamara, and today's video will be a grocery haul and menu plan that I had planned for our next week. I did the grocery haul and it's kind of scattered everywhere because I'm still learning the whole thing with YouTube. Trying to learn how to get good videos and so forth. But I'm trying to, and I'm learning some stuff on the way, and it seems like it is getting better. But anyway, my daughter had friends coming over, so I had to kind of hurry through it and get everything put up. So it was kind of rushed. So hopefully next time will be better if I do another one of those videos. Okay guys, welcome to my grocery haul. The stuff that we buy, actually this is mostly stuff that we buy pretty much every week. We've got some grapes here. I've got radishes for my salad. Strawberries, if we can find them. We've had a little bit of a problem lately finding strawberries. I've got some squash, zucchini, which I will roast one night as a side dish. I've got asparagus. I'm making a spinach and asparagus meal one night that I will put those together. I've got sunflower kernels that I sprinkle on my salad. I've got carrots here. These are actually for the dogs. Our dogs like to eat carrots. I've got broccoli florets. This California style vegetable mix. Sometimes I use this in stir fry. I also have some stir fry vegetables left. Some more broccoli here. I've got teriyaki sauce for one of our meals. I've got Greek yogurt. I've got 2 orders of the riced cauliflower, romaine lettuce. Got 3 heads of romaine. I've got some ground turkey here. My daughter likes to eat bagels and cream cheese, so I got some of those for her. This is the bread or wrap that we use quite often. I actually make quesadillas out of this. I just use half of one, put cheddar cheese in it, put it in the oven, and it's like a quesadilla. So this is the bread that I use for that. I've got a couple of cucumbers, a couple of lemons, a couple of apples back here, 2 deals of shrimp, potatoes. I've got tenderloin here. I've got chicken here. I did order boneless, skinless, and they did not have that, so they gave me bone-in, skin on. So I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with this. I may just, cook it and then take the skin off, the bones out and everything, make some broth. I'm not real sure because we don't eat that stuff. And then I've got eggs. I also have some Crystal Light here. My husband likes to drink this Crystal Light. So basically my meal plan, I'll go over with you in a minute. So my snacks daily, my drink snacks are, I use Crystal Light, the lemon flavored one. I use this collagen peptides. It's got collagen and protein in it. I actually mix those 2 together with hot water and I just drink it like that. This here is a protein cappuccino that I got from Bariatric Pal. It's a online service. I've tried their cappuccino and their hot chocolate, their protein hot chocolate. I love both of them. I'm just out of them right now. I need to order more. So that is kind of what I got from the store this time, and I will show you what my menu plan is for all of that. I'm going to insert some not menu plans, but recipes that I'm going to talk about. My printer's not working for some reason, so I couldn't print off my menu plan and show you exactly how I do it, but I will insert the recipes just in case you're interested. Breakfasts and lunches, I've already kind of showed you on my the recipe video that I did. I'll try to link it in the description box. We eat egg muffins for breakfast, and then I eat the buffalo chicken on my salads for dinner or for lunches. As I said in the grocery haul, I drink a collagen drink every day for a snack, and then I drink a cup of coffee. In the evenings before bed, I will have a tablespoon of peanut butter with either celery or some fruit, and that's kind of my snack in the evening. For dinners this week, I will be cooking tacos, rice, and cheese, which I cook the ground turkey just in basically give it the flavor of taco meat. So I use cumin and chili powder and oregano and all of that. And then I make on the side, I cook up the cauliflower rice, mix it all together, and then we eat it with cheese on it. Or if we want salsa, we also put that on top. This is a dish that we used to eat that we actually use, the rice for. But my family likes cauliflower rice, so we all eat it with cauliflower rice now. The second meal is going to be pork tenderloin. I'm going to cook it like a roast with potatoes and carrots. In the crock pot, I think, or in the Instant Pot. It kind of depends on if I forget to start it early in the morning. The third meal will be a shrimp and asparagus meal. Basically, I just flavor it with lemon. I mean, I put seasonings like salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder. Those are like my go-to, and Greek seasoning. Those are the go-tos for me. But I'll flavor it with lemon pepper and then fresh squeezed lemon on top. If my family wants a carb side dish, I'll make them rice for that, or they can have leftover potatoes from the tenderloin. The next meal will be a ground chicken kung pao. And it's got all the Asian flavors like ginger, garlic, soy sauce, rice wine vinegar. I do put a little bit of teriyaki sauce in it. And then I just throw in stir-fry vegetables to bulk it up. I eat that usually in like a lettuce wrap type meal. My family sometimes eats it like that, and sometimes they eat it with rice. So that'll be, what their choice is. Friday nights are always quesadilla night at my house because it's easy at the end of the week. I use that lavash bread that I showed you guys as tortillas. And I just cut it basically cut it in half and then half again. And I put the cheddar cheese in between two of them and heat it in the oven. And then have a salad on the side. As far as our, I apologize, guys. I am from Texas and I am not always enunciating appropriately. So please bear with me on that. I am not sure what our meals will be through, this weekend. My daughter turns 18, actually tomorrow, which is Sunday. And so we're taking her out to eat tomorrow, and she has requested that I make potato soup tomorrow night. So I know we're having that. Today is basically, we're just eating, chicken salad or leftovers or something like that. And then she's having people spend the night. So we have a bunch of junk food here for them that I will end up sending home with somebody because I don't want it around here. We won't eat it. So I'm not really sure what all we will eat this weekend. I did want to talk about something that I said in my last video. I need to kind of clarify something. I had said, I'm not as strict on the weekends, and I've eaten cake. I had dressing at Christmas, and I didn't want everyone to go away thinking that that's something that you can do all the time and you'll still lose weight, because that's not true. And there's a couple of reasons why. Eating things that are like sugar, fried foods, fats that are not, the good fats, those, when you eat those things, you have consequences. It makes you, or at least it makes me, really sick to my stomach. Dumping syndrome happens, and it is a real thing. You end up being really close to your bathroom the next day. It's not a pleasant experience. So while you can do those things, there are consequences. Also, you don't want to eat things like that all the time, because then you're not getting in your proteins. And as you should know, proteins, build muscle mass or replace muscle mass. When you lose a lot of weight, you're losing fat, but if you don't get those proteins in, you lose muscle mass, and you don't want to do that, because muscle mass does help with metabolism and just life in general. So you want to be really careful about that. I've seen a couple on YouTube that said things like, I eat 3,000 calories a day because I only hold on to 1,500, and I can eat anything I want because, it doesn't, because I have malabsorption. I don't even know how that would work. I've never heard that from any of my team. In fact, I eat like 1,000 calories a day, and the weight's not flying off of me at this point. It's coming off a lot slower. So I don't know what those people eat. I don't know what their reality is. So I'm not gonna say they're lying. I'm just gonna say it doesn't sound healthy to me, because you should be eating, like I said, proteins and getting all of the good foods in to make sure that you're losing weight in a healthy way. The goal, I know, is to get to your goal weight. That's my goal, and that's what I'm working for. But I want to do it in a way that is healthy and that does not compromise my health. Because if I get to my goal weight and I can't do things with my family because, I have not done it in a healthy way, then was it really worth it? I mean, to me, it would be no, because I want to be with my family. That's another part of it, is I want to be healthy for my family. So that's just something that I wanted to put out there. Protein is extremely important, and if you're eating a lot of bad foods, you're not getting in your protein, because you only have so much room that you can, put the food. So that's something to be aware of. Yes, there's always the choice of eating that kind of stuff, and like I said, occasionally I do, but there are consequences to it. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please subscribe if you are interested in being part of the community. If you guys would like to see more videos like this, leave a comment, let me know. I can do that. I can do recipes. I'm kind of wanting some input from you guys to find out what kind of content you would like to see. My next video will be the continuation of the post-op period from weeks 5 until basically now. I don't know if I've given an update on my weight recently. This week I am down 2 pounds more. So I've lost a total of, I think it's 104. So, and I'm a little over 7 months out. So that's kind of where I'm at. And I was also going to mention that, weekly making goals and journaling and stuff like that is very helpful a lot of times. I'm not religious about journaling, but I do like to do it so that I can look back and see what was going on at certain times. So I do try to do that occasionally. Just kind of write down what's going on. As far as my goal for this next week, I'm still trying to get to 1,000 every day calories. And then my other goal is to add back in more free weights and so forth, because I have been slacking on that. So anyway, I hope you guys have a great weekend. We are finally having some melting of the snow. I hope you're all staying warm, and thank you for coming and hanging out with me. I hope to see you again soon. Have a great weekend.